Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Friday, September 11th, a very somber day. And we have to talk about this market, what's going on right now, and it's going to be just lovely. Hey, how many of you caught the Barrel Buddies last night? I had a blast. What a fun show. Anyway, let's get back to business here. Right now, stock futures are pointing towards a higher open. Nothing dramatic, but a higher open nonetheless. We got cryptocurrencies under pressure. We got gold and silver under pressure. Crude oil just fell under pressure. It was flat about an hour ago. Dollar is weaker. 10-year yield 0.689. All right. Let's understand what happened yesterday real quick. I explained to you that we heard from the European Central Bank, and they promised again to keep the floodgates open, easy money pouring into this market to support the corporate agenda. Okay, the people are getting destroyed. Same thing here in America. I explained to you we were going to see volatility in the market after that announcement. And yesterday was exceedingly volatile in this market. Now, this may bleed off to today. I'm not really sure, but we had a combination of things literally that weighed on this market yesterday. It was the volatility from the European Central Bank. It was our do-nothing Congress. I really believe that today we have the worst Congress in the history of this country. And I can prove that to you because, again, yeah, we've always had a do-nothing Congress, but we're supposed to be in some kind of an emergency here. Oh, there's plenty of money for Wall Street, but not so much for the American people. And I know the Democrats are blaming the Republicans, and the Republicans are blaming the Democrats, but the truth is this is by design, okay? They want you gone. If you're a member of the middle class, you have a target on your face. I've explained this to you for the longest time, and you are in a lot of trouble. You're going extinct very quickly. Okay, that two-tier society I've warned about since forever is here. So again, the do-nothing loser Congress from the top down, they all got to go. Unless you want to go. It's either going to be them or you, and of course you will lose. I guarantee you on that. And then of course, we had, and who would have ever known? I mean, honestly, who would have ever known that a warp speed vaccine maybe would have problems? Yeah, these things are weighing on the market, and it could weigh on the market today. I have no idea. My markets, a look ahead that I did on Monday, I gave you my best guess. I said I believed that stocks would finish higher this week. Right now, it doesn't look like that's going to play out unless we get some miraculous rally today. But I also want to say this. If I'm wrong this week, let's see. For about 8 months now, I've nailed it to the wall every single week. So I can get it wrong once. Yeah, and anyway, look, it doesn't matter. For my lions out here, we're going to trade the market we have. I am certain we're going to get in and out of a couple of trades, maybe even today. I am still in Walmart. I did something very bad yesterday as the market was dropping. I kept piling into my Walmart position. It doesn't expire until June of next year. So, I mean, do I believe that Walmart is going to continue to fall? No, I don't think so. Could I be wrong on that? Absolutely. But again, we'll see how this plays out here. So, what do we need to keep our eye on today? Very, very simple. We got a dollar that's weaker, which really should be bullish for gold, silver, and cryptocurrencies, but not right now, okay? They're under a little pressure. This could absolutely turn around. Crude oil is humongous. It's huge. I don't know another way to put it. It's under pressure right now, and that's going to hit what? You know, the financial sector. It's going to hit the energy sector. It has the potential to pull down the entire market. Let's see how that plays out. The 10-year yield, it's not telling me anything with regard to a big meltdown in this market. Could we see the stock market fall a little further? Of course we can. But the real part of this market you got to focus on is the debt market. Okay, like I explained to you yesterday, the entire stock market is a derivative as to what is going on in the debt market. Every asset prices off of what is going on in the debt market. Very simple to understand that concept. Suppressed rates for over a decade have inflated massive bubbles in housing and in the stock market. It has caused malinvestment like we've never seen before. And there's going to be a terrible price. A super meltdown is coming. It should be very obvious. All right, so in summary, right now, stock trading doesn't start for about 31 minutes. Stock futures are higher, not by much. Okay, we'll see how that plays out. Crude under pressure, that could weigh on the market, no doubt about it. Dollar weaker, that is bullish for the market. The 10-year yield where it is, market seems to be okay with that. We'll see what they float out here today. If they start floating out some propaganda about, okay, guess what? The warp speed vaccine really isn't so bad. The market wants to hear that. The market seems to want you injected with whatever they're putting in there. Okay, of course, it's all good for you. You know that because it's tremendous and fantastic. It's incredible. But anyway, look, that's what they're going to do. Maybe they're going to float out some positive news on China, although that seems to be getting worse here. Anyway, that's the scenario, people. I think you got it. Let's keep our eyes on these things. With that said, I will see you at the end of the day, and it's going to be a freak show. I can tell you that. I'll see you later.